Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S2 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, go into calendar and pick a date by tapping on the chosen one. Now click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner and customize your event however you wish to. By for example adding a title, choosing a starting or ending hour, selecting done, tapping on minutes over here, setting up notifications, minutes, hours, or weeks before, choosing location, taking notes, and some other things. When you're ready, choose save. As you can see, my event was successfully saved. If you wish to edit it, click on it, make your changes, and tap on save again. If you wish to delete it, click on your event and tap on delete instead. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!